Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Write Google Classroom. It's this app right here, we can install it. And after the installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Click Get Started, create or select already existing account for this classroom and click OK. Now in order to join the class, click on the plus button and then join class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.